find the indicated measure. Actually, it says find the indicated measure, but I actually want you to just solve the triangle like we did on the previous example. So I guess we could eliminate this and say solve the triangle, which again means find all the other pieces of information, angles and sides. There's no picture here. When there's no picture, you can draw a picture of an oblique triangle. And again, the labeling is not important, just so long as you have the angles. Like if I start labeling the angles A, B, C, then opposite sides should match. Opposite angle A, I should have lowercase a. Opposite angle B should be lowercase b. And then side C across angle C. Now let's go ahead and fill in our information now that we have this picture. Angle A is 37 degrees. Lowercase a is 3 units. B is 4.6 units. And let's start solving it. How do I know I can use law of sines here? Yeah, you've got the opposing pair of side and angle that is known. Angle A and lowercase a is known. So let's go ahead and start setting up law of sines using that first opposite side and angle. So it's going to be sine of 37 degrees over the side 3. And that should be equivalent to, now we start off with this one. Which one do you want to solve for? Do we have a choice here? Can I solve angle C or side C? Right, we don't have any information on C, so we're kind of don't have a choice. We have to choose this one, and we have to set it up. Sine of the angle. Do I know what the angle is? So I have to put the variable B over its opposing side or opposite side. Now, same thing as before, we cross multiply. Again, I usually like to cross multiply with the variable here first. And the variable for B, or you can use any variable. You can use X, you can use theta. I chose B because it was angle B right here. All right, so I cross multiply. We have 3 times sine of angle B is equal to, and then I cross multiply this way. I get 4.6 times sine of 37 degrees. I need to solve for B, so I need to isolate that B. So I have times 3, so I need to multiply by, I'm multiplying by 3, so I need to divide by 3 to divide this out. And I'll be left with sine of angle B is equivalent to this expression right here. 4.6 times sine of 37 degrees divided by 3. Now, from chapter 5, how do I guess, get rid of this sine in front of this B right here? The inverse of sine. Okay, so good. So I have to basically say I'm going to go ahead and take arc sine of both sides, and I'm going to do it this fashion right here where I'm indicating that I'm taking the arc sine of both sides. That way these two eliminate, and I will be left with my answer. B is equal to, and I'm going to give the exact answer. Arc sine of 4.6 sine of 37 degrees divided by 3. Now, you guys give me the approximation with your calculator. This one, you do have to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. 67.34 degrees. Did everybody get that? And then I can label my, or annotate my picture. Since I already solved that, let me choose a different color. This is 67.4 degrees. Now I can just proceed to doing the way I did the previous example. If I already know that angle B is C, is 67.34, what's the easiest thing to solve for next? Yeah, angle C, which is what? but the process would be 180 minus the sum of angle A and B. 37 plus 67.4. I'm sorry, 67.34. I don't know why I put 4 here. It should have been 67.34. I'm sorry, what was this answer? 75.66. All right, now what if I wanted to find C or side C? Yeah, just set it up again, law of sines. Again, I would suggest you start off with the known, the first one that was known, the sine of 37 over side 3 is equal to this time sine of 75.66 over side C. I'm going to let you do this one. So cross multiply and tell me what you guys get. Alright, so cross multiplying, you guys should have gotten 4.83. And again, just double check it with your calculator. Make sure that you're able to get that 4.83.